Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we're doing this video. This is a unboxing and a full review of this Lasfit Pro headlights for my QX60 2014 QX60 hybrid. If you guys have this, definitely like drop a comment in the comment section. If you guys have used Lasfit bulbs of any kind, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know where they're decent bulbs. These bulbs right here, they're selling for $269, $270, $280, somewhere around that price range. They're probably like top of the line headlight bulbs. I'm pretty sure they're top of the line headlight bulbs. Now, me personally, I'm not the kind of person that goes out and gets anything like this expensive for my vehicle. But if you are, definitely, I will tell you that these are the ones. This is my second review for Lasfit. All right, they sent me directional lights, left and right turning lights. I thought they were bright until I drove it at night. They were super bright, like super bright. So if there's any question about whether these lights are worth it or not, and those were like $70 lights, trust me, if you know you're paying for something that is really good. Let's just go through this. Lasfit actually reached out to me. This is the second time Lasfit reached out to me. I just want to thank them for sending this to me as a sample. We're gonna unbox this and we're gonna just take a look at this. So this is the Pro Series lighting source, custom Lasfit 55mm high power LED chips, wattage 100 watt set, lumens 11,000 lumens set, color temperature 6,000, pure white color, voltage 9 volts, 16 volts, warranty is 2 years, which is awesome that this is warranted for 2 years. This is specifically for my Infiniti QX60. I think this is a hybrid, but this is for a QX60 as well. In any case, it comes with a manual, which is awesome because this is like what is this? This is like my second set of light bulbs that I'm trying out. This is my second set of light bulbs that I am trying out because I think another company reached out to me. I have those bulbs. Those bulbs are decent, but I'm pretty sure these bulbs are gonna be like super bright. Get 3 stickers. I like the manual because these days changing out a bulb is not just changing out a bulb, because there's just a little bit more to just the nuance of swapping out a bulb. I will tell you that I did take these out before to check it out, and as you guys can see, these are, you might need to get like a special fitting for this. I don't think that this is going to fit directly into the slot of the plug for the light. In any case, it does come with the these, what would I call these? These are covers. These are covers. Hey, if you guys have this, like, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether these are decent bulbs or not. If you guys have this, let us know whether these are worth the price or not. If you guys have any Lasfit product, let us know whether they're worth the price, because I will tell you, and you probably do know at this point, that these are pricey bulbs. They sell top of the line bulbs. So these have a tiny fan in them. You know, light bulbs are not just light bulbs anymore, and light bulbs are not cheap anymore. And as you guys can tell, I thought the bulbs in like AutoZone, Advanced Autos, those places, I thought they were expensive. This is just another level of I guess not just monetary, like expensive, but it's also another level of quality and brightness. It's got to be another level of quality brightness, because the turning lights that they gave me were ridiculously good. Like, I didn't know how good they were until I drove it at nighttime and noticed when I had the turning lights on, it was like I was seeing the brightness on the signs. And I mean like signs that are like way off in the distance. And those are just turning lights. So if those are turning lights for like $60, these have got to be like super duper good. In any case, let's do this. We're gonna pop these in, and we're gonna see how well they work. All right, guys. So I had these for like Lasfit sent these to me like a couple weeks ago. I just haven't had enough time to get these done as far as swapping them out. So we're swapping these out, and we are going to. It's bright out right now, but I'm gonna show you how bright they are. They should be super bright, but I don't think that's gonna come off as good when the sun is this bright out. In any case, let me pop it in, and I guess if you're watching this, you might be QX60 owners. I'm not sure, but you would take this cover off, take the cover off. The cover itself, you turn it, it pops out. The connector is connected in there. You pop that out, and the two springs that hold in the bulb itself, pop those out, and you should be good as far as taking them out and putting that in. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to show in this video, but I will definitely show you how bright these bulbs are. Like I said, I don't know whether give me a sec, guys. All right, guys, so these were popped in. Like I said, I don't think you can actually tell how bright these are, but they're pretty bright to me. I might do another video at nighttime and show you guys how bright they are. I'm not quite sure, but if there's more to this video, catch it. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, guys. Take care.